Hi friends, I'm gonna do the February Whiff box unboxing today. Scentsy comes out with a new Whiff box every month and you pay less than you would if you bought all the products individually. I add it to my Scentsy Club and I save even more. I save 10% on my Whiff box because it's in my Scentsy Club order. But you could order it one time or you could order it as many times as you want. Like I said, it comes out every month. So it's just like a surprise box and it's a good way to try different products and different fragrances. So here it is on the inside. It says Plant Dreams and Grow Happiness. So that's the theme for this month. So it looks like we have a mini warmer, light from within. Open that one up. We have a Go-Go Mango Travel Twist. We have a Raspberry Hibiscus Tea Scentsy Bar. This is from the spring and summer catalog that's coming out. So is this one, Tropic Nectar Scentsy Bar. And then they gave us some Luna Washer Whiff samples and a cotton cleanup, which I love these. I have a lot of those. All right, so I'm gonna open up the mini warmer first. Normally you don't get warmers in a Whiff box. You just get the consumables like the waxes and everything. So it's a treat when you get a warmer. Oh, this was pretty with the dish on top. This would be great in a kitchen or a bathroom. You could do different color light bulbs with that one as well. The travel twists, these are good in small spaces. So gym bags, lockers, cars, desks, like desk drawers. And that you can twist it and let out as much or as little fragrance as you want. Go-Go Mango is a fruity scent. It's mango, melon, hibiscus, banana flower. Raspberry Hibiscus Tea is also in the fruit fragrance family. This says this one is, I like this one. Wild Raspberry, Hibiscus Petals, and Elderberry Sugar. It's a pretty color too. And then the Tropic Nectar Scentsy Bar is part of the fruit fragrance family. So a lot of fruit. And that's nice. Tropical fruit nectar, coconut milk, and golden agave. And then of course our Luna Washer Whiffs. These you just put into the drum of your washing machine before you put your clothes in. And then the cotton cleanups. These hold a lot of warmed wax, so if you're doing your changing of your wax day, these come in handy. So they sell these on the website as well in bigger bags. So that is the February Whiff box. Thanks for watching.